over 60. Include this mineral to rapidly and naturally repair muscle. We constantly hear it. Muscle just starts to disappear beyond age 60. And the majority of folks attribute it to inadequate protein intake. Protein is important, of course. No one disputes that. In actuality, though, there is just one piece of the puzzle. Focusing solely on protein ignores the underlying causes of our muscles' deterioration over time. Here's the good news, though. You'll realize that you don't have to accept muscle loss once you know what's actually going on within your body. Actually, I'm going to offer a straightforward yet effective method to assist today. Regardless of age, your muscles feel more resilient, have more vitality, and begin to repair themselves. And we wind up pursuing the incorrect solution when we fail to recognize the real cause. What is actually happening behind the scenes? Then, the body changes as we age, particularly in relation to hormones. Growth hormone and testosterone are both essential. Factors that promote muscular growth start to wane. But the narrative isn't just about hormones. Our cells' little power plants, the mitochondria, likewise slow down. Imagine your muscles' motors simply aren't as quick or effective as they once were. Additionally, they are less able to cope with stress. And it makes no difference how much protein you eat when that occurs. You are not gaining muscle at all if your cells are unable to utilize it effectively. Therefore, continue with me if you're prepared to discover what your body actually requires to remain robust and active after 60. You'll come away with useful advice that you can put to use immediately. This is something that most people are unaware. Age-related muscle loss isn't solely caused by diet. It's not just a nutritional issue. Fundamentally, it's about how your cells communicate with your body to determine when it's time for muscular growth or repair. Your muscles gradually begin to get a calm, consistent signal that rebuilding is no longer a top concern. And that don't rebuild message only gets stronger when factors like inflammation, ongoing stress, inadequate sleep, or missing small nutrients are added. After then, your body enters a state known as preservation mode. Muscle loses its significance to your system in this state. It's not only a physical change either. It impacts your mentality as well. In their 50s and 60s, many people begin to think that frailty is just a natural aspect of aging. You start to feel less energetic, and soon you're sitting around more and moving less and less. Your mind silently accepts that you are no longer pushing yourself. Your body is telling you, not because you're lazy. You say, this is our new normal. However, the reality is different. That deterioration is not set in stone. Your body is still going strong. It is merely responding to a constant stream of indications that something is amiss. Fortunately, you can reverse those signals and make things better. However, in order to accomplish that, we must look beyond the broad image. Suggestions like increasing your protein intake and concentrating on the things your cells truly require in order to renew and mend. Minerals, particularly magnesium, are crucial in this situation. It is crucial to have a firm understanding of this before delving into magnesium. It's unlikely that your poor diet is the source of your muscle loss. What's actually taking place is that there is an imbalance in your body's internal wiring, which affects how it manages stress, inflammation, and energy. The issue is that this disturbance accumulates gradually over many years. You don't realize it until you suddenly find that you are unable to recover from workouts as you once could, or that even though you are doing everything correctly, your strength plateaus or even declines. That is disappointing, indeed. You're making an effort, eating healthily and remaining active, but you simply don't see the results. You need to delve further and pose more significant queries at that moment. Eating more protein is no longer the only solution. You must examine your entire system. In reality, how well are you recovering? How do your mitochondria and hormones look? Are your cells? Are they worn out or are they energized and prepared? When you begin to view it that way, the route forward becomes a lot more obvious. You'll see that losing muscle is more than just an issue with age. It's an indication that something needs to be realigned and your body's way of begging for assistance. And there is no doubt that this realignment is feasible. The first step is realizing that. After age 60, muscle health is about much more than just protein grams or calories. It's a continuous dialogue between your cells, hormones, intestines, and brain. As with any conversation, the way you speak is important. Increasing protein intake won't solve the problem entirely. You must pay attention to what your body is actually requesting. Usually, your body is yearning for deeper sleep, less stress, better energy utilization, and yes, the essential minerals that make things work. Exercise and protein finally start to work again once those components are in place. You feel more alive rather than merely stronger. Therefore, keep in mind that increasing your protein intake is only one aspect of the answer the next time someone advises you to stop losing muscle. The first step in the actual remedy is to alter the. Your cells are getting instructions on how to employ that protein. Your body reacts when you change the signals. Your physique is in good condition. It's just waiting for the correct circumstances to allow it to rebuild. And you don't have to let age stop you when you offer it those conditions. Indeed, it can serve as the starting point for feeling better than before. This isn't some new, trendy supplement called magnesium. Unlike protein powders or sports beverages, it doesn't have advertisements. On social media, the majority of athletes don't even bring it up. Here's the simple truth, though. Your body uses magnesium in more than 300 different processes. That's not advertising. It's biological. Magnesium regulates every bodily function, including blood sugar balance, muscle contraction and relaxation, ATP synthesis, and even neuronal calmness. All of those systems slow down as magnesium levels fall, which occurs frequently, especially beyond the age of 60. And your body is unable to heal after that, like it ought to. That's significant for muscle recovery, since strength training involves more than simply diet and exercise. It all comes down to establishing the ideal conditions for growth and healing within your body. A key component of such ecosystem is magnesium. Let's take a moment to discuss energy. Your body employs a unique energy molecule each time you contract a muscle, known as ATP. This is the portion that most people are unaware of. Without its binding to magnesium, ATP is unable to perform its function. It is known as MGAP in its working form. Your muscle cells cannot receive the energy they require for repair if you are deficient in magnesium. A persistent feeling of exhaustion following a workout. Sometimes that's just an indication that you're deficient in magnesium. There's more. The body experiences low-level inflammation more frequently as we age. Strength and well-being are subtly eroded by the underlying inflammation. Not many people are aware that magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties by nature. Following exercise, it aids in the regulation of chemical messengers and immunological signals, which are essential for a healthy recovery. Therefore, increasing your exercise or eating more food isn't necessarily the answer if you frequently feel achy, sore, or take a long time to recover from an activity. Your body may not always have the supplies it needs to heal itself. Your nervous system is another component that is often disregarded. Recuperation involves more than just building muscle. It also involves relaxing your nerves. Your body believes it must tear down muscle rather than rebuild it if your system remains in fight or flight mode. This is where magnesium comes into play. It triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, which aids in rest and recuperation. Additionally, it encourages deep, restorative sleep, lowers stress hormones like cortisol, and enhances GABA action. Furthermore, studies reveal that sleep is when most memory formation and muscle regeneration take place. This is the issue. The majority of adults over 60 don't know they're deficient in magnesium. Processed meals, prolonged stress, modern farming methods, and even some pharmaceuticals either deplete the body of magnesium or prevent it from being absorbed. Therefore, you could still struggle at the cellular level even if you're consuming a healthy diet. It's simple to ignore common symptoms like exhaustion, cramping in your legs, agitation, and difficulty falling asleep. But they're typically indicators that your body is deficient in magnesium. Remember the mental aspect as well. When someone feels exhausted or weak, they may assume, "I'm just getting old." Either blame themselves or attribute it to aging. However, what if aging isn't the true problem? What if your body is simply lacking a necessary component? You regain control once you view it that way. Instead of letting your strength and vitality wane, you may boost your recovery systems, restore magnesium, and start feeling stronger again. However, magnesium is not a panacea. It's not a cure-all. However, if you don't have enough of it, your other efforts will be less successful. The results of your workouts are not the same. That innate energy spark just isn't there, and protein isn't used as well. However, your body reacts when you take the proper form and quantity of magnesium. You move more freely, sleep better, and recover more quickly. Your body regains its self-confidence. That's when real strength returns. Therefore, another dose of protein powder isn't the solution if you're over 60 and feeling like your efforts aren't paying off, recovering slowly, making little improvement, or feeling exhausted all the time. Ask the more profound inquiry instead. What is missing from my body at the cellular level? Because magnesium is frequently the missing component. After you've restored it, everything else you're doing begins to make sense. Now you know how important magnesium is for the recovery of your entire body, not just your muscles. Thus, the next query is, how can one use it to gain muscle after the age of 60? Because taking any supplement off the shelf and expecting to see results isn't enough. It's not simply about taking magnesium, as is the case with most things that have a real impact on your health. How, when, and what kind you select are important considerations. First, let's talk about the forms. There are numerous varieties of magnesium in the environment: glycinate, malate, threonate, oxide, citrate, and more. Not all of them absorb in the same way, and they all function slightly differently in your body. Consider magnesium oxide. Although it's cheap and accessible, your body doesn't absorb much of it. It usually goes through without doing much for your nerves or muscles. In contrast, magnesium glycinate is easier on the stomach and is absorbed significantly more effectively. It also aids in nervous system relaxation, which makes it a great option for improved sleep and muscular recovery. Another beneficial type is magnesium citrate. It aids in digestion and relieves cramping in the muscles. This can both have an impact on how quickly your body absorbs nutrition and how well your muscles recover. Therefore, picking the correct kind isn't about going with the flow. It's about aligning with your body's primary requirements. The greatest options are frequently glycinate or malate if your objective is muscle rebuilding. If the problem is mental exhaustion or sleep issues, the third and the eighth may be beneficial since it has the ability to enter the brain and assist the body and mind. Your results will be better the more closely you can tailor the form of magnesium to your particular needs. Time is another crucial factor. Your natural sleep-wake cycle, stress, and activity levels all affect how much magnesium your body needs during the day. It has been demonstrated that taking magnesium at night can enhance deep sleep, which is necessary for hormone balance, nervous system healing, and muscle regeneration. A smaller amount of magnesium taken immediately after your workout, along with your recovery meal, might help muscles contract more smoothly and lessen pain later on if you exercise frequently or are busy during the day. Providing your recovery system with the gasoline it requires immediately rather than waiting until you're already exhausted is similar to filling up your tank before you run out. Exhausted. Magnesium doesn't function alone, which is another important fact. It needs partners in order to effectively carry out its duties. One of the better examples is vitamin D. Your intestines cannot adequately absorb magnesium if you don't have enough vitamin D. The opposite is also true. It takes magnesium to turn on vitamin D. Within your body, they rely on one another to function as a cohesive one. Exercise is no different. Magnesium won't help you gain muscle. It improves how your body reacts to physical activities. Your muscles won't receive the signal they require if there isn't any resistance, whether it comes from body weight exercises, bands, or light weights. to develop, regardless of the number of supplements you consume. Magnesium increases the effectiveness of your training by transforming the negative effects of exercise stress into a motivating message for personal development rather than just exhaustion. All of this points to a far more significant change in perspective. The majority of adults over 60 are advised to take supplements to slow down the deterioration, protect their bones, and support their hearts. Everything is reactive. You go from merely protecting yourself to genuinely strengthening yourself when you use magnesium purposefully in conjunction with astute training and restful sleep. And that shift in perspective is effective. Your body will usually react that way if it senses that you are already losing ground. However, your decisions are based on your confidence that it can still adapt and get stronger. You'll invest in behaviors that increase strength rather than merely postpone losses. You'll begin to see rehabilitation as something you can control rather than something you have to endure. Then, magnesium and other intelligent nutrients become tools rather than crutches. They enhance the advantages of rest, exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices. Magnesium isn't magical, sorry. However, you may totally alter how your body matures if you utilize it in the proper form, at the appropriate time, and with the right support nutrients. You will be creating a stronger, more vibrant version of yourself rather than merely managing decline. Along with the minerals that support it, when you combine magnesium with the appropriate activity at the appropriate time and in the appropriate form, you're not merely delaying the aging process. The way your body reacts to aging is changing. You start genuinely increasing your strength and performance year after year, going beyond just managing decline. Your body can go from feeling like it's constantly falling behind to feeling strong and capable. You don't have to be content to barely make ends meet. No matter your age, your body can rebuild, recuperate, and remain active with the correct assistance. Age becomes a new stage in life rather than a barrier. One where you can regain your enjoyment of mobility, take charge of your health, and continue to live life to the fullest. Additionally, keep in mind that this is not about pursuing youth. Giving is the key. Giving your body the actual resources it requires to remain strong and capable each and every day. I would adore hearing from you. Have you seen changes in your strength as you've aged, or have you ever added magnesium to your routine? Leave a comment below with your tale or any queries you may have. It's possible that your story will inspire someone else. If you thought this video was useful, please hit the like button. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next.